A lot of people are asking right now, how do you actually buy Pepenode? That's exactly what we'll clear up today, step by step, without complicated jargon, so anyone can get started right away. Let's kick off with the first and most important step. Head straight to the official Pepenode presale website. That's where the sale happens. You'll see the live price, the remaining supply, and even the mining interface already running. No exchanges, no middlemen. You're buying directly at the source. Open your browser, go to the site, and you're in. To make a purchase, you'll need a wallet. Without a wallet, nothing works for crypto. It's basically your digital safe. My recommendation, get Best Wallet. For beginners, it's the easiest option. Download, setup, done. Of course, you can also use MetaMask or Trust Wallet, but why make it complicated when it can be simple? The only thing that matters is that your wallet supports Ethereum and USDT. Only then you're really ready. Which brings us to the next point. Pepenode can only be bought with Ethereum or USDT. If you don't have them yet, you can easily grab them directly through Best Wallet or on eToro. Both platforms are super beginner friendly. Once your coins are in your wallet, you're good to go. Now comes the exciting part. On the presale site, you just choose the amount, connect your wallet, and confirm the transaction. Boom, you're in. And here's the cool part. You can activate staking right at the time of purchase. That means your tokens start working for you immediately. No waiting until launch, you start earning rewards from day one. Important to know, Pepenode is not on Binance, not on Coinbase, not even on Uniswap. The only official way in is through the project's presale page. Anything else is irrelevant. And as mentioned, payment only works with Ethereum or USDT, either on the ERC20 or BEP20 network. If you don't have the coins yet, grab them beforehand through Best Wallet. That way, you're on the safe side. Here's a key detail. Pepenode is still extremely cheap right now. We're talking under a cent per token. But, and this is crucial, the price increases with every pre-sale round. Wait too long and you'll miss the best entry prices. Timing is everything when it comes to pre-sales. So let's recap quickly. Step 1, go to the official pre-sale site. Step 2, set up your wallet, ideally Best Wallet. Step 3, fund it with Ethereum or USDT. Step 4, connect your wallet to the pre-sale site, enter the amount, confirm your purchase. And optionally, activate staking right away so your tokens start working for you instantly. Done. It really doesn't get any simpler. No confusing tech talk, no detours. All you need is Ethereum or USDT and a working wallet. The rest happens directly on the presale page. And that's the full picture. If this was helpful, leave a like, subscribe for more crypto guides, and most importantly, you'll find the presale link again in the description. Click it, secure your spot, and don't miss the next price round. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.